Hi kids, today you will learn counting on finger. Okay? You will learn finger abacus, how you will count the numbers on finger. So ready? Take punch on right hand. Okay? This is your ones place. This is number 0. One finger up, number 1. Next one finger up, number 2. Next one finger up, number 3. Next one finger up, number 4. And now number is 5. This is not 5. You have to show your thumb. All the best. This is number 5. Next one finger up, number 6. Next one finger up, number 7. Next one finger up, number 8. And next one finger up, number 9. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now you can count till number 9 and how you will take the number 10 to 90. Okay. So on left hand, this is your tens place. So one finger up, this is number 10. Next one finger up, number 20. Next one finger up, number 30. Next one finger up, number 40. And now number 50. This is number 50. And thumb and one finger up, number 60. Thumb and next two finger up, number 70. Thumb and next three finger, number 80. Thumb and next one finger, number 90. Okay? So it is clear to you how you will take the numbers 1 to 9 and 10 to 90 on finger. Okay? This is the first part of the video and you will learn counting till 1 to 99 on finger in next video.